Hi, this is Peter Farron with a quick guide on how to make a background transparent on a portrait photograph. For example, if you wanted to add your photograph to YouTube channel cover art. So the first step I've found the easiest way is to open up your portrait photograph. If you've got a nice clean background, that makes things easier. And if not done so already, you need to move over to the toolbar on the left, and normally this would be set to object selection tool, but make sure the magic wand tool is selected. And if I click on an empty space, you can see that the ant trail is moving around the background. Now we need to invert that. So if you go to select and inverse, you can see now it's not the background that's selected, it's the portrait itself. So once that's done, lots of different ways of doing this, but I've found the easiest way is to edit and copy. And once that's done, you can close this, you're done with it. And you can open up your background, in this case, YouTube channel cover art. And now you just need to go to the edit menu and paste. And from there you can change the size. I'm going to move this first a little bit. The move tool is top left, sorry, and drag that down. And then to actually make it smaller, you can look for the edit transform tool and choose scale. Then it's just a matter of hovering over, clicking down and holding and dragging to the size that you want. And you can move it at the same time and scale it to the size that you want. I'm just going to drop it right here for the time being and hit the enter key to accept. So that was a quick guide on how to remove the background from a portrait, in this case for adding to YouTube channel cover art. Please like and subscribe before you go. Thank you.